Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code by Punch, and today we are going to solve the question binary subarrays with sum. Okay, so in this question we have actually given a binary array sum with an integer goal. Return the number of non-digit subarray with a sum of goal. A subarray is a continuous part of the subarray. Okay, so in this question we have actually given a binary array. So binary array is an array in which only 1 and zeros are actually there. Okay, and the sum goal is actually 2. Okay, so how we are actually going to solve this question? So this is type of a sub. So this is type of a sliding window technique question. Okay, and in this type of question, I will just tell you the trick and how we are actually going to solve this. So we have to find the sum with two. Okay, we have to find the sum with two. So what we are actually going to do? We will find the at most sum at most subarrays of sum 2. Okay, at most subarray of sum 2 will actually comprise of 2 subarray, 1 subarray, and other thing. Okay, other thing, let's take other thing. Okay, and at most sum of 1 is actually comprised of, this is 2 and this is 1, comprise of 1 plus other. Okay, so if we subtract both of them, we will get exactly sub array of sum 2. So this is the thing we are actually want. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are just going to find the at most sum of 2 sub array and at most sum of 1 sub array. And how we are actually going to solve this? With the help of sliding window technique. And how we are going to solve this? Okay, now let me make the count as 0. Okay, so first this is the subarray, which is actually sum equal to 1. Then what I'm going to do, I is here and j is also here. Okay, then my I will move further and it is actually 1. So I will just increase my increase my pointer here. Okay, then I will go here and it will just become 3. Then I will move here, it will become 4, because it is actually at most of 2. Okay, it means it is at most of 2, so it will consist of 1 as well as 2, sum of subarray 1s and 2s. Okay, then I will move here, and when I just move here, I will see that the sum will actually become 3. So what I will do, I will just shrink my window, and when I shrink my window, I will just do it like this. Then the count will increase, and then here, then the count will increase, and here the count will increase, and then at the end it will just don't show anything. So okay, so this is the process that we have to follow. After this, what I will do, I will find out what is the sum of subarray of at most 1. Okay, then I will just subtract it. Now let's move to the coding part, which is actually really simple. In the coding part, I just made a recursive function. It is not a recursive function, it is just doing that I told you. This is at most of 2 or goal, or it is at most of goal minus 1. Okay, so this is the same thing. If the sum is actually less than 0, then it is just we have to return 0, as this is the test case, just nothing. Here I am just pre-computing my sum. Okay, I am just pre-computing my sum to check, and if my pre-computed sum is actually greater than sum, then I am just going to subtract the nums, and I will just decrement, or I will just shrink my, this is the shrinking window size, and then I will just find out the count of my, this is the length of each subarray. Okay, so I have to find out the length of each subarray, and then but at the end I will just subtract both of them. Okay, first this is the length of subarray, like I minus j plus 1, and I will just increment into my count. Okay, and then for 1, for 2, and for 1. Why I am taking length? So let me tell you. So if this 1 0 1 0 1, okay, so this is the length 1, then this is going to be 2, then this is going to be 3, then this is going to be 4, and then 1 2 3 4, this is going to increase. But here, when I move here, it will be 3, so I'm not going to take it. So I will just shrink it. So it will be 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. And if I sum it all, it will become whatever. Okay, so this is the thing. And then the length minus length is actually tell me how much how much how many subarrays I am getting. Okay, so this is the process of how we can solve this question. Okay, so I hope you like the video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos, and thank you for watching.